What is going on, guys? It's Josh here, and I'm back here with another pack of Steam Siege, so let's get right into it today. Of course, the packs love to fight me every single time I try to open something, but that's okay. We can do this much faster than we used to. Here is the code card for anybody who is interested. And we go a 1, 2, 3 to the front because this is Steam Siege. It's from XY. So we got some keys. We got a Flappy, a Mankey, an Apom, a Drifloon, a Seeded, a Sneasel, a Nidoran, and a Gardevoir GX. Let's go!